Your car's factory warranty feels like a safety net until one day it's gone. And when something breaks, that repair bill lands entirely on you. Major repairs can cost thousands, and without coverage, you're paying out of pocket. A manufacturer's warranty comes with your new car and covers defects in materials or workmanship. But it doesn't last forever. Most warranties expire after just a few years or a set mileage limit. Once that coverage ends, you're on your own. The problem is, most people keep their cars for much longer, often 8 to 10 years. That leaves a significant gap where you're fully responsible for unexpected repairs. That's where a vehicle protection plan comes in. MotoAssure Admin offers coverage that picks up right where your warranty leaves off. It protects essential components like your engine, transmission, and electrical systems, and even includes benefits like roadside assistance and rental car coverage. Plans are available for vehicles with up to 200,000 miles. Unlike traditional warranties, MotoAssure Admin plans are built with the customer in mind. Coverage extends up to the actual value of your vehicle, or $12,500, whichever is greater, helping ensure meaningful protection, even for older cars. Your warranty may expire, but your need for protection doesn't. MotoAssure Admin helps keep you covered for the road ahead.